Hi guys, this is LT Survival. Tonight, another review, another knife. Yes, this one is a sweet one. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Tonight's knife is the HX Outdoors ZD10. A sweet blade. For those that follow my Instagram, this is the knife that I use to carve that stick. Kind of a bushcraft carving I did. Okay, as you can see, it's a G10 HCR14 blade. Okay, it's a carved G10. Not bad. Wasn't that uncomfortable when I carved that stick. Okay, it is not the most comfortable. It's a little blocky, but there's some edge to it that you do feel after a while. But HCR14 MOV is a better steel than HCR13. Not just because it has more number on it, because it is longer lasting. This one is still sharp after I carved that stick, used it. My other knife that you're going to see in the next review is also an HX Outdoor, and it is HCR13. And not the same quality, not the same temper on the blade as this one. I've used it, yes, I've got all kinds of stuff with it, but not as lasting as this one. Not a problem. HCR13 is pretty easy to sharpen, so we're going to be making sharpening video maybe in the future, but we'll be concentrating on this one. This one is a sweet blade. Okay, it's a satin finish, draw point with a slight swedge and a high saber grind. Okay, it's a high saber grind, it's not an hollow grind. It's a liner locked. Okay, I'm trying to get you, instead of showing you my belly, which is not beautiful, I'm going to show you the knife, hopefully, if it focuses. Yeah. So as you can see, it's a right hand tip down only pocket clip. Okay, so there's no other way of using it. It's a tip down. It's a flipper on ball bearing, which shows, because it is smooth as butter, they say. Huh? Yeah, oops. You can use the slot, but it's not that great to use. Probably middle finger flip easier, but I can't do it. Jimping is not bad on top. Nice place to put your thumb. Okay, the hole is more like an aesthetic part of it. There's a small lanyard hole in the back. It has a backing construction here, which, if you look inside, if I bring some lights in, I'll try to show you a little more of this. You can see it is milled out, and you can see barely the pins in the back. Not sure you're gonna see all the pins, but yeah, need more lights. Let's try to see if I can shine some lights inside there, and have the camera at the right angle. Oh yeah, you see in the back here the other pin, so you can see almost there's two pins on this that's underneath, and it is holding through. They're probably screwed straight to the liners, the stainless steel liners on it. It's a heavy knife, okay, not the lightest one, okay. I like the aesthetic of it, the workmanship on it. The color, I like it. It's like a natural G10, okay? Pretty much transparent with green, pixel green, different pixel camouflage type of green. The liner lock goes all the way to the middle, which is perfect. Works great. Solid lockup each time. Pretty much comfortable in the end. It's not an uncomfortable knife when you grasp it. Work with it a bit, yeah, you'll feel it, but it is nice. And there's a nice feature here that you might want to see. So often we see a sharpener choil. Can I have a focus, please? Yeah, we see a sharpener's choil, but this one is just within the thickness of the blade. So where your grind start basically of your blade is at the edge of that bevel, and the kind of sharpness choil just comes and swoop in all of that. It's nice touch. No thumb stud to block you from sharpening it all the way till the end. So really nice knife. I like it. I find that this knife has a great quality to it. Unfortunately, the pocket clips makes it shown for almost an inch. If you look at it, almost as long as my thumb, okay, almost an inch, okay, and that's long, okay, that's really long. It's a bit high for my taste when I use my side pocket. If I use the cargo pocket with the flap comes back over, not a problem, but it will show that much of the knife. It's a little much. If they had a recurved knife, they could have put it on both sides of the knife using this screw as their, oh, I didn't show. They could have put it here, make it a tip up, okay, yeah, a tip up knife with a straight pocket clip that could have been on both sides. Because they have the space using that screw, they could have done it. They could have done a better pocket clip. Jake Cutting Edge review 2 knife identical to this. HX Outdoor, the best out of the 2. They're available on GearBest if you wish to purchase them. I've bought many knives on GearBest. If the custom wants to let them in Canada, it's even better. Unfortunately, right now, if they inspect it, it wouldn't pass. Okay, they're legal, but they wouldn't pass because of the importation rules, not the Criminal Code of Canada. Well, not much more I can add to this knife. It's a perfect knife. It's a little heavy, but I don't mind. I don't mind. They could have do some more cuts in there to bring the weight down. The liner is pretty thick, but it makes for a strong knife. So you have to compromise strong folders or light folders. So bottom line, I like it. So if you like this video, please give it the thumbs up, share and subscribe, comment down below. HX Outdoors, the ZD10, ZD010. A really nice knife, a really nice offering. I think there's many color on, no, this one has only this color, which is kind of unusual, different from the others, so always a good thing. So again, give it the thumbs up, share and subscribe, and we'll see you back on the next video.